Much of the measuring and marking that we do as woodworkers happens within 2 inches of a board's edge, including rabbets, dados, and much more. Rather than take an oversized 12-inch combination square to the task, Infinity Tools has the answer to your simple measuring and marking needs. CNC'd from high-quality aluminum billets, and with a black anodized body, the beveled edges are laser engraved in 16th-inch graduations for easy reading and guaranteed precision. Pencil holes are spaced 1/8 of an inch apart in a line, but the 4 lines are offset from each other by a 32nd of an inch, making it easy to mark in 30-second spacing from the edge. Insert a freshly sharpened pencil and slide the rule along the edge. It's that easy. Start, stop, and index with all the finesse you need in your shop. You can scribe a line perfectly parallel to your board's edge, and then make an additional parallel offset line using the 16th-inch graduated holes. The edges are beveled, so it brings your measurement right down to your work surface for ultimate precision. You can mark the surface and edge of your board in one operation, quickly and accurately. Our 2-inch saddle square will quickly become an always-out member of your benchtop tools.